Searching for the best Lowe's water electric pressure washer in 2026? In this video, we review the top-rated electric pressure washers available at Lowe's, comparing cleaning power, durability, features, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you're cleaning driveways, patios, decks, siding, or vehicles, we've selected the best options for every budget. Stay tuned to discover which Lowe's electric pressure washer delivers the best performance and cleaning results this year. Number 3. The Greenworks 3000 PSI 2.0 GPM electric pressure washer is a powerful residential cleaning machine designed to tackle tough outdoor cleaning jobs with the convenience of electric operation. Delivering up to 3000 PSI and 2.0 GPM, this pressure washer provides exceptional cleaning performance for driveways, patios, siding, decks, vehicles, fences, and more. A standout feature is Greenworks' true brushless motor technology, which automatically adjusts motor output to maximize cleaning power based on a selected nozzle. This intelligent system improves efficiency while delivering strong and consistent performance. The continuous run motor and pump operate similarly to a gas-powered pressure washer, ensuring immediate pressure response without frequent motor cycling. The pressure washer includes a durable metal spray gun, a 25-foot kink-resistant hose, and 5 quick-connect nozzles including turbo, soap, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees tips for a variety of cleaning applications. The oversized 1-gallon onboard soap tank makes detergent application easy, while the extra-long 35-foot power cord provides excellent reach around large work areas. Users frequently praise the unit's quiet operation, sturdy construction, and easy maneuverability. The wheelbarrow-style steel frame and 10-inch never-flat wheels make transportation simple, while vertical storage saves valuable garage space. With advanced safety features, corrosion-resistant components, and an industry-leading 10-year motor warranty, the Greenworks 3000 PSI pressure washer delivers outstanding reliability, performance, and value. It's an excellent choice for homeowners seeking professional-level cleaning power without the maintenance of a gas-powered machine. Number 2. The Kobalt 3000 PSI 2.0 GPM cordless pressure washer delivers impressive cleaning power while eliminating the hassle of gas engines and extension cords. Designed for homeowners who want convenience without sacrificing performance, this battery-powered pressure washer combines portability, quiet operation, and strong cleaning capability in one versatile package. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, the unit produces up to 3000 PSI and 2.0 max GPM, making it suitable for cleaning decks, patios, driveways, outdoor furniture, vehicles, grills, and more. The intelligent motor automatically adjusts power output based on the nozzle being used, helping maximize efficiency and cleaning performance. The pressure washer includes 5 spray tips for different cleaning applications, along with a detergent hose and an eco mode that extends battery life when maximum power isn't needed. The included siphon kit is especially useful, allowing the washer to draw water from alternative sources such as pools, lakes, or buckets, making it ideal for remote cleaning tasks. Users consistently praise its lightweight design, quiet operation, and freedom from power cords. Many appreciate that it operates up to 4 times quieter than comparable gas-powered models, while still delivering excellent cleaning results. Owners already invested in the Kobalt ADV platform also benefit from battery compatibility across other Kobalt outdoor power equipment. Backed by a 5-year tool warranty and 3-year battery warranty, the Kobalt 3000 PSI pressure washer offers outstanding convenience, reliable performance, and excellent value for residential cleaning projects. Number 1. The EGO Power Plus 3200 PSI cordless pressure washer is a game-changing cleaning tool that delivers impressive power without the limitations of cords or gas engines. Powered by EGO's innovative peak power technology, it combines two 56V arc lithium batteries to generate up to 3,200 PSI at 1.2 GPM, with a maximum flow rate of 2.0 GPM, making it one of the most powerful cordless pressure washers available. Designed for convenience and versatility, this pressure washer offers ECO, high, and turbo cleaning modes, easily controlled through the wand-integrated display that also shows battery status. Whether you're cleaning vehicles, decks, patios, driveways, or outdoor furniture, the adjustable settings allow you to balance power and runtime for the task at hand. The package includes everything needed to get started, including 5 spray nozzles, a foam cannon, a 25-foot high-pressure hose, and a siphon hose that allows the washer to draw water directly from a bucket or other freshwater source. The telescopic handle and compact design make transportation and storage simple. Users consistently praise its strong cleaning performance, durable construction, and ease of use. Many find it ideal for mobile detailing and household cleaning tasks. Some owners recommend upgrading to larger capacity batteries for extended projects such as deck cleaning. Backed by a 5-year tool warranty and 3-year battery warranty, the EGO Power Plus 3200 PSI pressure washer is a powerful, convenient, and highly capable cordless cleaning solution. Thanks for watching our Best Lowe's Water Electric Pressure Washers review in 2026. If this guide helped you choose the right pressure washer, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides. Share your favorite model in the comments below, and let us know what outdoor cleaning projects you're tackling next. See you in the next review.